Listen with one ear and let it go with the other. Life is full of noise. From the moment we wake up, we are surrounded by voices, some encouraging, some critical, some entirely unnecessary. People will always have opinions about what we do, how we live, and who we are. Some of these opinions may be constructive, offering wisdom and guidance, while others are simply distractions meant to bring us down or shake our confidence. If we try to absorb everything, we will be overwhelmed. The weight of others' words can become a burden, filling our minds with doubts and insecurities. That is why we must learn the art of listening with one ear and letting things go with the other. Not everything needs to stay in our minds. Not every word deserves space in our hearts. The power of selective listening. Imagine a sponge. It absorbs water instantly, soaking up everything it touches. If we act like sponges with people's words, we risk filling ourselves with negativity, judgment, and unnecessary worries. Instead, we should be like a sheep, allowing only what is useful to stay while letting the rest pass through. Criticism, gossip, and baseless opinions should not take root in our minds. We cannot control what people say, but we can control how we react. The key is to filter out what helps us grow and let go of what only weighs us down. Not every opinion matters. In today's world, where social media simplifies every voice, it is easy to feel judged. A single comment from a stranger can make us question our choices. But here's the truth: not everyone's opinion is valuable. Would you take financial advice from someone who is broke? Would you take life advice from someone who is constantly unhappy? The answer is no. So, why do we read negative, uninformed, or envious people impact us? The reality is people often criticize from their own insecurities. Their words reflect their own fears, not our reality. Instead of internalizing their negativity, we should remind ourselves to not every opinion is worth listening to. Letting go of unnecessary criticism can be helpful when it comes from a place of wisdom and kindness, but when it is unfair, baseless, or meant to bring us down, we must learn to let it go. Consider the great minds of history, artists, scientists, and innovators. If they had listened to every critique, they would have never changed the world. Every successful person has been doubted, mocked, or misunderstood at some point, yet they moved forward because they knew when to listen and when to ignore. The next time someone criticizes you, ask yourself, 1. Is this person someone I respect? Number 2. Is their criticism constructive or just negative? Number 3. Will this feedback help me grow? If the answer is no, then let it go. Listen with one ear and let it pass through the other, protecting your peace. Life is too short to be consumed by unnecessary negativity. We must guard our minds like we guard our homes, only allowing in what serves us, just as we would not invite an unkind guest to stay forever. We should not let toxic words take permanent residence in our thoughts. When someone speaks harshly, take a deep breath. Remind yourself that their words are just sounds. They have no power unless you give them meaning. Choose what to absorb and let the rest drift away. Conclusion: move forward unbothered. True strength lies in knowing what to hold onto and what to release. Not every word deserves our attention. Not every opinion deserves our energy. We must listen wisely, absorb what helps us, and let go of what does not. So the next time someone speaks, remember, listen with one ear and let it go with the other. Your peace, happiness, and growth are far more important than any passing remark. Keep moving forward, unbothered, and focus on what truly matters